trading, right? We all learn and grow together, and every day is a learning experience. See what we could have done differently.
More, not just winning days, but more days without a single loss than I've had days with a single loss. The strategy is just, again, I'm mind blown.
Okay, I'm getting into a sell now, and I'm just holding it currently. I'm creating a little stop loss here. So I'm gonna get this stop loss, bring it down. As you can see, I just dragged it to right there. So if it hits, it's gonna take me out, making it tight. So if it hits, it hit. So on one trade, we did $38.59, and the other trade we did $91.
But interesting. It's interesting how I'm learning when the market's that rangy. It pays to be very, very patient.